Hello everyone, welcome back to TLT Studio. Today we're going to look at simultaneous equations. However, we're going to use the elimination method to solve this equation. Alright, now the first step is you're going to label the equation. So the top equation is going to be equation 1. The second equation is going to be equation 2. Alright. Now, in order to use the elimination method, the terms have to be the same. Now, in order to get the terms the same, what you will do, you're going to multiply the top equation by the number that's in front of y and the bottom equation by the number that's in front of y. So in other terms, you will say the coefficient of y. So the coefficient of y is going to be 2. Alright, and the coefficient of y for equation 1 will be 1. Alright, so what we're doing now, all we're doing is trying to get the terms the same in order for us to use the elimination method. Alright, so if this value right here beside y was 6, you would multiply the top equation by 6, and whatever value beside y, you will multiply the second equation by that value. Alright, so now we're going to simplify. Times 2x, we have 4x, plus 2 times y, we have 2y, 2 times 7, we have 14. Now 1 multiplied by the equation, you get back the same equation. Alright, now look at this right here. The terms are now the same, therefore we can now use the elimination method. Now once you have different signs, you are going to add. However, if these two signs were positive, you would minus. Alright, so very important to remember. Alright, so when we add the equation together, 2y minus 2y, this zeroed out, so now we're only going to have 4x plus x, which give us 5x, equal 14 plus 1, which is 15. Alright, 4x plus x give us 5x, equal 14 plus 1 give us 15. Alright, so what we do now is divide by 5 on both sides. So we now have x equal 3. Alright, x equal 3. From here, we're going to sub x equal 3 into equation 2. So we have equation 2, which is x minus 2y equal 1. The reason why we sub x equal 3 into equation 2 is to find what the value of y is. So that's the reason why we're doing it. Alright, so the value of x is no longer unknown, which is 3. So this is going to be 3 minus 2y equal 1. So this is now going to be 3 minus 2y equal 1. Right, we need to get y by itself, so we're going to minus by 3. Minus by 3. So we now have negative 2y equal negative 2. Right, just rewrite it. Divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. Negative cancel negative. Those values cancel. Negative cancel negative. 2 into that 1. 2 into that 1. Therefore, y equal 1. So, x equal 3 when y equal 1. Alright. So, what we can do from here, we can recheck it. So, remember, x and y is no longer unknown. So, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. So that's correct. And x is 3 minus 2 times 1, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 minus by 2 is 1. Therefore, the equation is correct. And this right here is the answer for the simultaneous equation using the elimination method. Thank you for watching. Have a